Yes sir, so here we are with a video you guys have been requesting for the longest. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't even gonna do this video, so make sure you guys show this video love and make sure you push this video. I'm only doing it because you guys asked for it. So first of all, we're gonna start off drawing the legs, then we're gonna work our way up. As I always say, I'm actually trying to help you guys learn how to draw, so I always feel a type of way about adding in measurements, but then at the same time people be commenting for the measurements. So I figure what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add measurements where I feel like maybe you guys might need them, but overall, if you're genuinely trying to learn how to draw, don't follow the measurements. Try and like match up each shape against other shape. For example, the legs, how big is it compared to the body, and how big is the head compared to the body, you know what I mean?
Yeah, whoa, didn't have the peace to make it all the way, yeah. Didn't have the peace to make it all the way, yeah. Now they wanna say that I am on my face, yeah. Didn't get a case to catch a case, yeah.
I'm gonna remove this belly because it just makes the cartoon look hella weird. I'm gonna put him in a baggy hoodie so you wouldn't even be able to see that belly. That's pretty much the body done. Now we're gonna move on to drawing the clothes. I'm drawing a hoodie. Of course, you can draw whatever you like on your version.
What we having for that lunch? Yeah, and I'm coming for the top. Yeah, off the hills where I'm off. Yeah, big boom from the drop. Yeah, come on baby, roll that stuff. Ooh, yeah, get to, ooh, yeah. K9s with a ooh, yeah. I've been rolling in that mud and I'm sticky in the sauce, yeah. Hey, wonder, woof, wonder, woof, woof. Hey, wonder, woof, wonder, woof, woof.
So I use these dark grays for highlights on black.
When I was drinking a liquor, I was in a black cabby, had me in the back happy. The drivers get spooked when they see that I'm the drivers get spooked when they see that I'm the.
Here I'm just going around all the outlines after everything's dried with a fine line, just so it's nice and neat. Then I'm gonna go over with a black marker.
I'm trying to sit back and get my mama crib, ayy. Trying to get my mama crib, ayy. One day I'll just bop and get paid. One day I'll just bop and get paid. Bop and get paid.
Go say yours, I got to make the money. Go say yours, I got to make the money. Go say yours, I got to make the money. Go say yours, I got to make the money.
Hey, wonder, woof, wonder, woof, woof. Hey, wonder, woof, wonder, woof, woof. Hey, wonder, woof, wonder, woof, woof.
But now I'm gonna draw part of the head because I want to know where to position the hood.
Well. Yeah, just a bit more. Alright, cool. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want stress. Vámonos. I'm the only Donnie with the sauce. I guess the Lord added an extra dose, like extra pepperoni on Papa John's. Promis, juré, crash. We don't deal with a fake, I'm a fraction. Everything that we say, we do action, and we only do it for the passion. What that shit on my one, let me this BV, ODN, yeah, you know we're the best. London in the building, yeah, be coming for your neck. Mouth to my lungs, yeah, I say it with my chest. 1, 2, 3, cuatro. I don't want stress. Vamos, vámonos. I'm the only Donny with the sauce. I guess the Lord added an extra dose, like extra pepperoni on Papa John's. Dreaming of driving Aventadors. Bust out the ball, I just watch me score. Finessing all these rappers like my name is Pele. I swear I'm more focused than the Ford. Viva la vida loca with your girl at the function, dancing to la cucaracha. Mommy chula, this is mi casa. If they're asking, I'ma get bust. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. I don't want stress. Vamos, vámonos. I'm the only Donny with the sauce. I guess the Lord added an extra dose, like extra pepperoni on Papa John's.
Whoa, wagwan, you see me dog, the king me set. You feel me start, see me rolling up. You're my civics log, call me fat. 552, whoa, king of the south. I heard you be bumping my tunes, but later be slaying my goons. You be missing my G. Have you got something to prove? Uno, dos, tres, call me Papi Cholo Loco. See me rolling to ends with my cholos. Buenos dias, got me no tan soles, vamos. Star in the making, my G's about. They feeling the music, they hear me now. Before she was feeling the kid, but she up in my DM saying how she feel me now. Enough of you niggas get left behind, achieving my goals without extra time. And Donnies be scheming to take me down, and I'm so far ahead that I never mind. I'm riding with Christ on my side, never needing a 9 on my side. Swear to God that my crew be a bunch of 10s. God, I swear I'ma make it to shine your light.
Usually when there's a pattern on the clothing and you don't want to ruin it by like going in with a pen straight away, you can draw it lightly in pencil, and then when you're happy, go over it with the ink.
Donny with the sauce. I guess the Lord added an extra dose, like extra pepperoni on Papa John's. Hey, Nemi. Woo.
For the shoes, draw whatever shape you want to draw them. You know what shoes you want to draw. So get the basic outline and then start filling in the details.
Right about now, I want you to talk to your haters, and this one I want you to tell them. Listen. Booyah! In your face, drop the bomb, drop the bomb, drop the bass, drop the bass. Haters hate, can't relate, ghost on them dead, hop at the race. Yeah, bro, it's not safe, AK-47 over 808s. Talking trash, in my face. Hold up, wait a minute, let me tie my lace. Muay Thai kick to the face. South London, no, we don't hesitate. Best thing alive, and there's no debate. Nah, get into the bag without a delay. Handle it. Booyah! In your face. In your face. Drop the bomb, drop the bass, drop the bass. Haters hate, can't relate.
So I've broken down the head into 2 different sections just to make it easier overall.
It's not safe, AK-47 over 808s. Bun the beat, bun the case, take a.
So I've put all these lines here just to make it easier to draw the eyes, so you can easily find the center point and line up both of the eyes.
Ends, do it for the flag. Oi, I'm kind of a big deal. I do mean to brag. Yeah, yes, I got the sauce. Like bolognese on spec. Yeah, told you from the jump. I'm way higher than first of the month. You don't want none. I done told you I'm coming for your lunch. Buy me up a night. Yamming on a suit. Looking to the sky, laughing at the face, and the haters like booyah! In your face, drop the bomb, drop the bass, drop the bass. Haters hate, can't relate, ghost on them dead, hop at the race. Throwing shots, it's not safe. AK-47 over 808s. I see the bag a mile away. Simple man, I stay focused, then I chase.
face when I asked her who she ride for. She looked me in the eyes and then she told me I'm to die for. No one can take your place, nobody else can beat your high score. She know I'm about to blow like fireworks on July 4th. Nemi HD, be the king of the city. She know I control the waves, like my name is Arthur Curry. 20/20 vision, rub your eyes, your vision blurry. Plus I'm more connected, so I never need to worry. Bring the fire flame, but nobody else can match this. When you go to sleep, man, I swear I go to practice. 24/7, man, I'm active, I'm at this. Plus my squad is active, about to take over the Atlas. Madness, from Southeast London all the way to Paris. Pure-hearted youth with no malice. Back to break bread with my bros and drink wine from a chalice. Straight from the ends to a palace. It's a future. You captain, it's a future. Fresh again, you. Crown me, I'm a UK king. Crown me, crown me, crown me,
So it's that time again. We're at the end of the video. Yes, sirski. If you like this video, not even if you like this video, comment, share, because you guys requested this for so long and I delivered, man. Oh, almost forgot. That's a rack. Hey, there we go. That's a rack. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bam.